Welcome. In this video, we will cover the ELD Info add-in feature. The Support Information section is the contact information for your Geotab provider. If you use Fleet Nav Systems as your Geotab provider, contact us via this information for any issues you have with the system. For questions regarding your logs or hours of service, you'll need to contact your fleet manager. The Fleet Nav Systems support team is available by phone or email Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. However, we are available 24/7 for emergency HOS support. If you use someone other than Fleet Nav Systems as your provider, you'll need to contact them for any support. In the in-vehicle documents section are 3 required documents that must be in your cab at all times. If you are keeping only electronic copies of these documents, make sure that you open and download these to make them easily available to you, as this will keep you in compliance if you were to ever be inspected somewhere outside of cellular coverage, as you're going to need to be able to access these documents. In the workflow document section are 2 documents from Geotab, which are really there for your own reference, and these can be helpful should you have any questions regarding asset inspections or hours of service. The new release updates section provides information regarding any system updates that you may need to be aware of. And lastly, in the how-to videos section, drivers can click the watch videos button to easily access a playlist of Geotab's YouTube tutorials on how to use the Geotab Drive app. That's all we have for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.